Hello, my name is Robert, and I'm going to be showing you a very quick video on a new product called Finishline Pro. And when I say a short video, this is going to be about 10 minutes, and it's going to be super fast, but I'm not going to be cutting anything out. This is probably the simplest program and demo you'll ever see. So the idea behind this product was we were trying to alleviate the pain of customers to put the markups that have been generated in Bluebeam back into Revit or AutoCAD Civil 3D. So here you can see I have a PDF here in Bluebeam. I've got a whole bunch of markups. And so basically what I would do is I'd come up here and go save as or save it as a PDF. All right. Then I'm going to jump into Revit here. I'm going to come up here to my finish line ribbon. I'm going to select Navigator. My Navigator panel comes up. Now all I'm going to do is click on the green plus sign. I'm going to select a PDF. I'm going to go open. And this is now going to load all those markups that were in that PDF. So down below you can see it says importing, and it shows me how many sheets are in the PDF. So there's 13 sheets. And then you can see how many markups there are. And what we are trying to do here talking to customers is they have hundreds if not thousands of markups. And often some staff will miss one here and there, and it's a liability issue. So we wanted to make sure that all the markups are being addressed. So now this is what's called our list view. All they have to do is you click on any markup whatsoever. This is now going to load the sheet that it's on. It's going to zoom to the location where that markup is, and then it's going to display the markup. And so here's the sheet's been loaded. There it's zoomed to it and it displayed the markup. Now all the time there was just for loading of the sheet. Now once that sheet's been loaded, if I click on another markup on the same sheet, you can see how fast it is to navigate to it. So there's no more this back and forth looking at Bluebeam on one screen and then Revit on another and trying to find where this stuff at. It'll automatically take you to those locations. So this is the list view. If I double click on any markup, I will go into what is called our edit mode. Now the edit mode basically is going to show us the original PDF. If I hover over the markup, it'll show who created it. You got the information about the markup, the sheet it's on, the description. Now what I want to do here is I'm going to say, well, I'm going to fix this. Okay, so I would go into the model and I would fix this, address that markup. When it's done, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say it's completed. When I do that, it automatically jumps to the very next markup, saving you that time from going back and forth. Very quick and easy. But you'll also see that the numbers are going down. So I've only got 41 of 42. I would fix this, I would go completed. Same thing, it's going to jump to the very next markup, and then those numbers are going to go down. Very simple, okay? There's not much more to this with the markups, but what I want to show you here, if I get out of this, I'm going to come up here to filter. There's a lot of different ways we can filter. You can notice here the completed is unchecked. That's the reason those numbers are going down. So every time I hit completed, it actually changed the status inside my project here to say it was completed, and I have it unchecked, so it's not showing me that. We can filter by who it's assigned to, the sheet name, description. What I want to do here is I'm going to uncheck show markups. I'm going to go OK. Now I've filtered out all the normal markups, and you'll see these all have a little icon here. I'm going to double click on one of these to go into edit mode. Same exact thing like it was before. It's going to find the sheet. It's going to load the sheet. It's going to zoom to the location. And it's going to display the markup. And you'll see here, this is a chair. Here's the chair here. You have a couple buttons up in here where I can make it transparent if I wanted to, or I could just turn it off, which I'm going to do. Now you'll see over here it says place family. I'm going to click on this, and it's going to place that family right in the model. That is a 3D family. It's just pulling the name out of Bluebeam, and then it knows what family to place, and it's going to place it in the screen here. I'm going to go completed. It's going to go the next one. So it's a window, so I'm going to hide this. Same thing, I'm going to go place family. So this is a hosted family, so it's going to have me place it where I want it to go. I'll click, I'll place it. Then it'll be up to me to edit the cell and all that. I'm just going to go cancel and cancel. Now we're just going to come up here and just exit out of the edit mode, and I'll turn the filtering back on so I can see all the markups. So the other things that we have in here is you can save this as a project. Every single person that is using this can use the exact same PDF. When you do that, all you have to do is hit refresh and it'll bring in new markups, statuses that have changed, things like that. And then we also have a settings in here, and under settings you can specify where you're looking for the family name. So you place the family name in a snapshot in Bluebeam. It can be a custom field, or it can be like the subject line. We can also have a custom assigned to, things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. And the same exact interface works inside AutoCAD or Civil 3D, any AutoCAD based product. So you can see in here, I can very easily jump between all of these, the markups, and it's jumping between the different tabs. So if I go in here to say, let's go down to a cross section or something like that, I can go to that cross section and you can see that markup right there. This concludes this short video of Finishline Pro.